Hello Amazers, welcome back to Amaze Math, and today we want to look at factorizing quadratic expressions by product sum rule. In the previous video we did factorizing quadratic expression using the quadratic formula, and this one is pretty easy. So what you need to do, the first step is you write all the coefficients. So we have a equals to, what's the coefficient there? It's 1. B, the coefficient is 7, and C, coefficient is 6. So in product sum rule, it requires us to find a times c, which is 6, and then sum should be 7. So what factors of 6 will have a sum of 7? So we can write the factors of 6. We have 1 and 6, and check whether when you add these two together, are you going to get 7? And that's correct. So we're getting 1 plus 6 is 7. So we can say the factorization will be x plus 1, and the other one will be x plus 6, and that's your answer. And if you want to check whether this one, if you expand it, whether you get the same question, let's see whether we're going to get the same thing. So we have x squared and plus 6x plus 1 times x is x, and 1 times 6 is 6. So these two will give us 7x. So meaning our answer is correct. Now let's look at the second question. So now we have x squared minus 5x minus 24, and we need to factorize it using the same product sum rule. So first step is you write the coefficients. We have a equals to 1, b equals 2, you take the sign before the number, which is minus 5, and c equals to minus 24. So a times c should give us minus 24, because 1 times minus 24 is minus 24. Then should give us a sum of minus 5. So what factors of 24 will give us a sum of 5? So 8 times 3 is 24. But now when you do 8 plus 3, you can get 5. You can get minus 5. So what can you do? You add up, you put a minus there. Therefore, this one will be minus 8 plus 3, and that one is minus 5. So our factorization, so we have minus 8 and 3. So our factorization therefore will be x minus 8, x plus 3. You just take the number the way it is with the sign. So if you want to check whether this one will give us the same thing, let's see. So we have x times x, which is x squared. Then x times 3 is 3x, minus 8 times x is minus 8x, and finally minus 8 times 3 is minus 24. This one therefore will give us x squared minus 5x minus 24. So therefore our factorization is correct. So that's the answer. So x minus 8, x plus 3. And now to the final question. We have x squared plus 6x minus 7. Maybe you can pause the video and try it on your own and see whether we're going to get the same answer. Okay. So now let's see. So a, first step, you write the coefficients. A equals to 1, b equals to 6, and c equals to minus 7. So minus 7, 6, and 1. Now a times c should give us 1 times minus 7, that is minus 7. Then it should give us a sum of 6. So what factors of 7 will give us 6? And you know 7 is a prime number, so it only has one pair of factors, 1 and 7. So 1 plus 7 is not 6. What can we do to 1 and 7 to give us 6? We put a minus there. So minus 1 plus 7, that will give us 6. So the answer will be x minus 1, x plus 7. Let's check. X squared plus 7x minus x, and then the final one minus 7. Oops, look at my 7. Okay, so we have x squared plus 7 minus 1 is 6x minus 7, and that's the same expression we have over there. So our answer will be x minus 1, that's the factorization, and x plus 7. Hope you have understood, and in the next class we'll be looking at factorizing quadratic expression, solving quadratic expression using completing squares. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.